Welcome to Doctor's Research Bot. This is a chatbot that lets you ask any question about over 18,000 medical research articles from these sites: MDPI, Dove Medical Press, Taylor and Francis, PubMed Central. These are all public research sites. The articles are listed in this dropdown here. There's actually 18,300 articles in this list. And by default, if you enter a question here, the bot's just gonna go through the entire article data set to find your answer. So let's try uh, what what's the research about osteoporosis. This is a bone disease that my mom has. So I'm interested in finding what research is available for osteoporosis. Now, while the bot's searching through the data set, I'll talk about why I built this app. I built this for the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 3, which is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Okay, so you see the bot answered the question: what's the research about osteoporosis? Urban dwelling Chinese postmenopausal women. Yep, that's my mom. And it lists all these articles which were the sources for this information. And each article, it gives the title, publication date, and the URL. So you can actually click on the link, and it's gonna download the original PDF file for you from the source. So you can go through the actual article in detail if you want, or you can ask the bot to summarize. For example, this article here, I can enter in this input box here for the title. So you see it does a keyword search or a partial match, and it finds this article. So I select this article, and then I can ask a question like summarize this article. And then I click research it. And the bot's going to summarize this specific article for you. And you see, here's the summary. Okay, so this is Doctor's Research Bot, and as I said, I built it to support the United Nations SDG 3, and it's for healthcare workers to keep up to date with the latest research about health and medicine. Thank you.